Hey guys, it's Games Unlimited 121. And I picked up a little something from GameStop. Okay, this is going to be an unboxing. And the first item is BioShock Infinite. But they didn't have the one with the statue, so they had this one, so. I don't think I have a scissor up here. I literally just got back, so not really prepared. I was really excited. I think, wait, no. This is what. Open. Perfect. I have no idea. I know the Ultimate Edition came with a statue, but I have no idea what this comes with. Box open from the bottom. Oh, I'm stupid. There's one on. There we go. Let's fix this. Okay. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. I will be doing gameplay of this, by the way. Okay. Ooh. There's a bunch of stuff in here. I know this is the game. Very nice. Okay. Okay, looks like these are DLC. Sorry, I'm not in the boxing mood. I'm a bit tired. Yeah, very weird. Just Colombia. Next thing I will go for this. It's like a keychain. Murder of Crow. Okay. Next item. So, very little figure. I don't know what that is. Well, looks like the last item. And of course, an art book. Very nice. Yeah, I'll show you that later. Let's see this. There's nothing else in the box. I could have sworn this came with like a medal or something. That could have been another limited edition. Could have sworn that it came with a medal. By the way, it looks like a great game and I can't wait to play it. Yeah, wait, like this. Oh, looks like it never was opened. Next one, which I did get the Ultimate Edition to show you the maximum awesomeness. That is Defiance. Okay. Let's open this up. I won't forget to take them all off. This is what comes with on the back. And nothing special. This tape is hard. I know I'm not supposed to be peeling off. I'm supposed to be cutting it. I don't have a scissor. I got this for a PlayStation 3. only one they had left. Sticky. Alright. There we go. They always come with this plastic thing. I just dropped all my papers. Do you remember? It looks like there's like twisting things. No, you don't actually twist them. Okay. Oh, there we go. It actually sounds like or something. Whoa. That is an ugly looking alien. No idea what this thing's about. Heard it was really good, so I got it. Greetings, Ark Hunter. So that gives me like a little clue on what this may be about. Here. Trying to get the book out. That's what's next in this. Oh. Come on. There we go. Got it. Oh, this thing's heavier. Yeah. So these are very quick unboxings, but this is soundtrack. That is it. I'm gonna put all these back. Like a little string to part of the out, but the string went on, so was not able to take it out. Let's put the notes back. Let's put this disgusting looking alien back. There's no one to lie to. This is magnetized, nice. And that is Defiance. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, I know it's a little blurry. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed. See you later.